in this video the Blue Ox sway bar system. Stay tuned, everybody. Hello everybody, my name is Juan Carlos. If you haven't been here, if you've been here, welcome back. We are here at Melbourne Mobile RV Park and I want to show you how to hook up the Blue Ox sway bar system. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is the second time we stayed at this park. It's very nice. We're right next to the beach. I'll link a video on top and below. You're gonna get your bar. It has a cotter pin here. Remove that and you're gonna insert it. Now these bars have these notches here. That determines the weight of the bar. I believe this is 7,000, but don't quote me on that. You always want to put the notches the same way. That way you won't scratch only by one side. I normally put it on this side. Put it here once, so that's why I got a little bit of a scratch. But if you do it on one side, you should keep one side nice and painted. That will keep from rusting. Not sure how much that matters. But let's go ahead and insert them. Just gonna line up your hole, your pinhole here. And after a while, you're gonna have a mark. Get your cotter pin. Kind of just went right in like butter. And you wanna bring it over here, like so. You wanna get your safety brackets for the arm. When you put the second cotter pin, make sure you come from the tow vehicle towards the camper. In case a rock hits it, it won't come off if you put it the other way. If you put it from the camper to the tow vehicle, a rock can push it off. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Get your second rod. The cotter pin out. Got my notches pointing up. I'm gonna line it up with the hole. And one in like butter as well. If it doesn't, just move this back and forth, wiggle it a little bit, and you'll find the hole. And just put it on top. Get your safety pin. Once again. You want to go from the tow vehicle to the camper trailer, like so. And you want to connect your chains. I like to crisscross my chain. That way, it's only what will happen that this comes off somehow. If you cross it, the camper trailer will stay on the chain. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Chains are crossed. Get your emergency brake lanyard onto the D-ring. You're good to go. And just bring the trailer down. I like to lock it. Now I'm going to show you how to take out the Ox Blue sway bar. You're going to unlock your lock here. Take your lever off. Start raising your trailer. As you raise it, you're going to play with it until it comes loose. So you got the cotter pin, the safety bracket, and just slide right out. Get your cotter pin out, and it slides right out just like that. You do the same thing on the other side. Disconnect your emergency brake and your both chains. You're good to go. You lift it all the way up. You're good to go. This is our site 20. We're right in front of the boardwalk to go to the beach. We were just here one night. It is a full hookup. We have water. $50 amp, 30 amp, and the 120 watt. We come across, around. There's the sewer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos. Till next time, everybody. I'm videotaping, baby girl. Chi. Chi, baby. Look how pretty, yeah. This is the beach, Melbourne Mobile RV Park. The park is right up there. We're right over there. It's a great spot. Look at that ocean. Wow. Baby, we live in paradise.
Let's see if it's cold.
Oh, I'm sure it is. Go for it.
Let's check it out.
How is it?
Very cold.
Very cold. Okay then.